Good morning, sharks. Today, I, Yashvi Agarwal. I am Mannat Arora. I am Anya Sagar. We three are the founders of the company Create Space. This is a platform where we can have where people can authors can create free self-publishing and self-publishing and
It is not a platform.
and it is a platform for authors especially.
Budding authors? Yeah.
Traditional publishing has always been dominated by the gatekeepers who always dictate to tell the stories who always worthy. Lots of authors has left in the shadows because they don't let their let their books to be noticed, and lots of authors always face rejection after rejection because of the traditional publishing shops or platform. uh, yeah. Create Space provides us solutions by democratizing the publication industries. We think that the authors have a free right to give away their ideas through the world. Through our platform, the authors can create their self publications without any traditional publications. Our au- our authors upload their manuscript by following a step-by-step process to form their own book. Our initiative in Face makes it easy for the authors to make their own manuscript, design their book covers, and set their own pricing. For example, let's take an example of Jay Shetty. He was the first author in our Create Space. His novel name was Think Like a Monk. He was a first Amazon bestseller, which was a #1 bestseller on Amazon within a month of release. Jay Shetty was able to make his dream come true in reality by using Create Space. Um, Create Space also ensures best printing by best printing technologies. Create Space also reach to the authors to help them in including marketing tools, editing services, and cover page and templates. The professional what do you call publishing experts also always dedicate to help the authors for put their step to the seventh sky. When books are published, they are put on the retailers' apps such as Amazon's, Barnes and Nobles, and etc. For example, let's take an example of Sarah Jones. She wanted to publish a story about her children, the adventure of Little Fears, where she wanted a audience globally, but she thought that was not possible. But with Create Space, she published her children's story and make it too visible for every audience globally. With the rise of ebooks and diverse voices of literature, our company has created a place in the market. Our ask is for 1 crore in the exchange of 1% of equity. In our instances, our Create Space has published over 15 lakhs of books and generated over 80 lakhs in sale. with a successful track of our success and loyal community of authors, we are poised to a extra successful years ahead, and we will seek for your investments.
Thank you so much. I mean, what good presentation this was, and what an innovative idea has Karan as well. I mean, I was so mesmerized by the performance, specifically Anya and then Manna. What is so good? I mean, look at the confidence you were carrying, and your main co-founder Yashvi. Yashvi, basically the thing is that it looks like that you've been bogged down with so much responsibility you're carrying on your shoulders. Am I right? So that's not a worry. As far as you people are together, you can make a benchmark in your field. So one thing that comes to my mind straight away is when a particular novelist, a young novelist who has not been popular as yet, takes a particular script or his novel to a publishing house, he's very much concerned about the copyright issues. I mean, lest his idea might be plagiarized in case घेरे में तो नहीं आ जाएगा. I mean, someone coming up and using it, the publishing house can achieve them. So, what sort of assurance you give to a young budding novelist like me? Yeah.
We provide classes to young authors, and we tell them like what they should do and what they should not do, and we all provide them securities. And if they do not succeed or they do not know like what their track are going to, so we provide them classes, and we will make sure that they will go on a right track.
Will you be giving us the legal assurances as well?
Yes.
The moment I submit my manuscript or script to you, will you be giving us the legal assistance as well?
Yes.
Okay, fine. That's really very nice on your part. Yashvi, Bandat, and Anya, sorry. Anya, I'm really sorry. So these three girls have presented very beautifully.